Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a delicious and crispy prawn toast. So let's see the ingredients. I've taken about 1 kg of prawns which is cleaned and deveined. Some sesame seeds. I've taken the white sesame seeds. About 10 garlic cloves which is crushed. About 3 green chilies which is finely chopped. Some spring onions, some coriander seeds, and about 2 large onions which is finely chopped. We also need some oyster sauce and some soya sauce for flavor. I've taken the dark soya sauce. Now we also need some fresh bread slices. Let's grind the prawns into a fine paste. And let's start adding the other ingredients. Now let's add the garlic which is crushed, about 3 green chilies which is finely chopped, the 2 large onions that is also finely chopped, some coriander leaves and some spring onions. Now let's start adding the sauces. Let's add about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. The oyster sauce gives a very nice flavor to this recipe. Next, let's add about 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. You can also use the light soya sauce. Let's add about half a teaspoon of sugar, salt as required, and about half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Now mix all the ingredients together and keep it aside. Now take the bread slices, cut the corners and cut the bread into 4 pieces. We need small square pieces like this. So when the bread slices are ready, take the prawn marinade, apply it on the bread slices and garnish it with some sesame seeds. The sesame seeds stick to the prawns. So repeat the same process for all the bread slices and keep them aside. This is a very tasty recipe, so do try it. Now let's heat oil. Keep the oil in medium. Let's put the prawn side on top first so that the prawns get cooked well. Always the prawn side goes first into the oil. Now when it is nice and golden brown, let's topple the bread slices so that the bread is nice and crispy. You can see that the prawns are well cooked and the bread is nice and crispy. So that's it friends. Our delicious prawn toast is absolutely ready. Serve it hot. Do try this recipe. Serve it with a nice hot and sweet chili sauce. Like and subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.